How to disable image generation in ChatGPT. So first you want to open up your browser and open ChatGPT or the app on your mobile device and make sure you're signed into your account. Now, the first way to disable it is to specifically mention in the prompt, do not generate images while writing your chat prompts in new chat sessions. And the next way to do it is click on your profile button on the bottom left, go to settings, and then go to personalization. Scroll down and under custom instructions here, make sure to add do not generate images like that. And then you can press the save button right here and simply start a new chat. And that is currently the only way to do it, since ChatGPT or OpenAI doesn't provide any general setting option to switch for your account to disable and enable the image generation. And if you want to do this because you want to prevent a child or teen from using image generation, it could be potentially possible from the parental controls available here. If you add a family member, it might provide controls for specific features depending on the account and the available settings. It might allow you to disable image generation. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.